Hello there, and mind your own business. Oh no, wait, that's something else. Hi, I'm Scott,
I'm Corey,
and we are the
the
Cloud
Cloud
Brothers.
Brothers. Welcome to the Cloud Brothers. As usual, we are having fun talking about Chat GPT, which we talked about. Thank you to the 3 people that subscribed since our last stream, and for the recording, I should say, and for the, 11, 12 hours of watch time on our last video, which was
Yeah.
18 minutes, which I
Oh,
included. So I don't know if you watched it all the way through, but I included some new editing techniques. So it zoomed
I
into the
Oh, I did
code.
actually.
It
Yeah,
zooms into the code, so you could see a little easier.
Yeah, on the smaller devices. Yes, I did see
Yeah.
that. I did notice that.
Yeah, I'm not snapping to it. I want it to be a little faster, but I just found a simple technique of adding a
That's
keyframe.
good.
So,
No, that's good.
so like and subscribe for more quality content and high quality video editing by yours truly using DaVinci Resolve. But what I wanted to do this week is talk about Chat GPT again. Okay, so I talked to Scott earlier. So in order to have more than one Chat GPT, account with the same phone number that does the registration, you have to pay for an account. So right now we're using a meeting software to have. So this is Scott's Chat GPT behind us here, and I want to actually compare the notes that we have in the Discord. Now, what I learned, there was a video by Michael Wolf that was saying, is this GPT-3 better than Chat GPT? Because Chat GPT runs on the GPT-3 engine, which I didn't know till I watched that video. So
I didn't know there was a difference.
So he says that the people think that people like Chat GPT because it's free. GPT-3 is also free unless you want to get the paid version. And usually people use the GPT Playground in order to create APIs for software companies with very large distributions and stuff like that. So if you're just using it for some small stuff or to conduct some minor testing, it's still going to be free, just like Chat GPT. So the layout on it is behind me here. It just looks a little different. It's up here. It's just, instead of what it is on ChatGPT, it's just beta.openai.com/playground. So what I want to do is put specific examples of questions into the playground and then into ChatGPT and see if there actually is a difference, because in the short video I watched about this, they didn't do a comparison, so I just want to do a quick comparison video.
You can do science.
Yeah, do a little science. Do it for the cloud, bro. So
nice.
Yeah,
what you did there.
Yeah, thanks.
You going first?
Sure, I'll go first. So just let me look at my let me look in the Discord, and we're gonna copy the one that I want to do first. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it from the Discord. So what is the difference between AI and machine learning? It says I've reached my usage limit.
Oh, you bastards.
What? If you have further questions, maybe I have to sign out of Chat GPT. Okay, stand by. I'm gonna pause for the. So I think I figured it out. So because I was trying to do this without Scott's account earlier, so I forgot to log in on my original account, which is my first original email address. So that's why it was saying at the bottom. I haven't tested it yet, but you're going to see it live here first. So if you are using Chat GPT or the OpenAI GPT-3 program, you're only going to be able to register one account using one phone number before you have to start paying. So I'll submit this account. submit this question now, and if it doesn't work, I'm just going to go crazy and sign up for the night.
Run away screaming.
Yeah. So it's working that time.
Okay.
Supposedly.
Can't see it.
I clicked submit right here. And now it says cancel. So right now it's not really doing anything. So let's look at the meeting in progress. Why don't you do it on yours? I'll go full screen.
Okay.
And try and see what's happening with yours. So yours is going to say, what's the difference between AI and machine learning? Artificial intelligence is a broad term that refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable machines to improve their performance with experience without being explicitly programmed. In other words, AI is the overall concept of creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, while machine learning is a specific approach to achieving AI by giving machines the ability to learn from data. Okay, so that's cool. So I'm just going to shrink the layout here and see how I guess it would be the big brother of this is doing on in the other tab. That model is currently overloaded with other requests. You could retry your request or contact us through our help center. Okay, well let's try to resubmit it. Doesn't seem to want to. So the thing that the guy said in the video is that Chat GPT tends to be overloaded with requests constantly. So this playground should be theoretically way better. Let me just so far
get reversed right now.
Yep. So let's try and paste that again. Just reset it. Okay. Well, epic fail. And move on to question 2. And by the way, I am using a what do you call it, a VPN right now, but it's a VPN in Toronto, not in Germany or whatever. So and I'm not going to change it. So like obviously I can log in, but it's not doing what I want it to do. So second question, we'll try a different one. So I'll say this was a sort of a copied one from that video I watched earlier. So I'm going to ask him to write me a sentence in emoticons.
Okay.
And write me a sentence in emoticons saying, hey, would you like to go to the movies? Then shoot some pool, grab a snack, and then go watch the sunrise. So we put that in. So while that's thinking about it, let's go to yours. So we'll go back to full screen, and if you could copy and paste that same one, and see if it does it. Okay, so
I think they've been putting more resources into this. Smile, popcorn, movies, 8-ball, hamburger, sunshine.
Yeah, sunrise. Hey, would you like to go to the movies? Yeah, I'm not sure why it's a straight face at the start. Would you like to go to the movies and shoot some...
It's a smiley face.
It's a smiley face? I can't quite make it out on my computer. The screen's too small, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so, hey! But yeah, let me just make that not full screen and go back over to here. That model is currently overloaded with other requests. You can retry your request or contact us or our help center at help.op. If the error persists, please include the request ID. Okay, I'm a little... Oh, you know what? I'll try one more thing, though, which I didn't think of before I give up on this completely. I'm going to go into my history. I'm going to clear browsing data. I'm going to clear all time cookies and other site data. Right?
Oh, login screen. It's good, yeah.
Okay, so I cleared my cookies, which is one of the ways that you're supposed to be able to get in.
Yeah.
I'm not a robot. It's true.
Oh, I'm
Oh
a
man,
robot.
traffic lights.
I don't know what those are. I don't know how to drive. I'm colorblind. All the lights are gray. That's not true, but it's funny.
All right. So see that. So yeah.
You got it into Chat GPT.
So I'm in Chat GPT, but it might be because of my cookie problem, right? So
Yeah.
Here we go. So I'll go. I'll just type it because between it should give me the same thing and machine learning, and I don't have to read it this time. It should spit it out pretty quick.
That's working for you. You want to try the other one still?
So
Again?
beta.openai/playground. Log in. It might tell me I can only be logged in at one at a time. But you're the Chat GPT guy, and I'm the beta openai.com guy tonight. So
yeah,
we'll try this one more time. And you'll notice clearing the cookies. Cleared the cookies.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the difference between AI and machine learning?
Got that G there again.
Okay, now it's working. And it's supposed to be working faster. So all I need to do is clear my cookies.
Clear your cookies.
Clear your cookies. Do not forget to clear
everyone.
Your cookies.
That's
okay.
That's the pre. What do they call that? That's the cold open. Clear your cookies.
Correct.
Cold open.
So write me a very short story about a cool egg. Oops. You go submit. Once upon a time, there was an egg that was extraordinary. It was an egg like no other egg had ever been before. It was shiny and sparkling. It glowed with an iridescent hue. Everywhere the egg went, it attracted attention. People wanted to know what this amazing egg was all about. The egg was actually a magical egg. And when it cracked open, out popped a small glittery creature with wings. It was a fairy. The fairy thanked the egg for providing her with a home, and as a reward, she granted the egg 3 wishes. The egg used its wishes to bring happiness and joy to all the people it had met. The egg was celebrated by all and became known as the cool egg. It was just a symbol of good luck and kindness, and it will forever be remembered as the cool egg. All right, that's pretty cool. It's just a weird thing. So, what would be a really great thumbnail for a YouTube video about GPT? A thumbnail of a computer screen with the GPT-3 algorithm in action with a caption that reads, "Unlock the power of GPT-3." Wow.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Make it for me.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. What's faster, Chat GPT or GPT-3? GPT-3 is generally considered faster than Chat GPT. GPT-3 is designed to be faster and more powerful than its predecessor, making it a better choice for most applications. So I guess Chat
that is
GPT,
faster now that we got into it.
Chat GPT is the baby, and I guess Chat or GPT-3 is the grown up. So I guess this is the beta. So if you want to go,
what's interesting about this one is that this is more. Go to the. Oh no, you can't. Hang on. Let me see.
Well, I can go to this one if you want.
It's just a little more. It's just a little. It doesn't format it.
Yeah,
like this one does a nice formatting and all that crap.
Yeah, that's what the other guy said too. Is it's got the like dark mode, and you can go to the Discord, and it's very user friendly. It records your chats on the left hand side here. I don't see any of those options on this one. So
it's just like output. That's just like a REST kind of call response thing.
And then there's like modes here on the side, the maximum length here of your response. So if you don't want it to be super long-winded, you know, and stuff like that. So I don't know. I think it's cool. If you get in, so important things to remember: clear your cookies, use a VPN. You can't have
only one phone. Only one phone.
Yeah, only one phone to register. If you try and use 2 accounts, one of those accounts is going to be charged because the usage limit for personal use is 1 account per customer. That's what I learned.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah, nice. No, that is good. I didn't know any of this, so good.
No, neither did I. That's kind of why I wanted to do this, just as a follow-up to our last video. And you may or may not see all of this video, but
it went perfectly swimmingly, like all technology does. It goes perfectly the first time, always.
Yes, sir. That's why.
Like and subscribe for always going well.
Like and subscribe if you like to watch more quality content like this of 2 brothers playing with Chat GPT on the cloud. And don't forget to hire us because we're always looking for contracts.
Oh yeah, we're open for contract. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Well, add that. We should add that close to the beginning. Okay. All right. See you later. Thank you for watching.